Hey guys, this is how you put the newer LG front load washing machines into diagnostics. You press the power button and then quickly the spin and soil buttons after the power comes on. You have to do it really quickly. I only had one hand and you saw I could even get it in there just using the one hand real quick. And now you can step through each component. I'll make sure the washing machine is empty. No clothes, no water in it before you start doing this. If there is water in it, that's okay. You can run the first thing it'll do is try to drain the water out. If it doesn't drain the water out, I would check the filter, the drain pump filter at the bottom, that little door. If there's water inside the washing machine, when you take that filter off, all that water is going to come out. So have a wet dry vac because towels are not going to soak up that much water.